Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a turkey fan and beard. First, gather your tools, including a sharp knife, a sturdy cutting surface, and some cardboard. Lay your turkey on a flat, clean surface, ensuring it's completely cooled. This preparation makes the process much smoother and helps you achieve a clean, professional-looking trophy. Taking your time now will pay off later. Now, let's tackle the tail fan. Carefully locate where the tail feathers connect to the turkey's body. Using your sharp knife, make a precise cut through the skin and flesh, ensuring you keep the fan completely intact. Once detached, gently scrape away any excess meat or fat from the base of the fan. This step is crucial for proper drying and preservation. Next up is removing the beard, a distinctive trophy piece. Locate the beard at its base, typically found on the turkey's breast. Make a small, careful incision around the beard's attachment point, just through the skin. Then, gently pull the beard away, ensuring it remains whole and undamaged. This delicate process requires a steady hand to preserve its natural beauty. Finally, let's prepare your fan and beard for preservation. Thoroughly clean any remaining blood or debris from both pieces. Apply a generous amount of borax or a similar preservative to all cut surfaces. For the fan, pin it open to its natural spread and allow it to dry completely in a cool, well-ventilated area for several weeks. This ensures your trophies last for years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.